and in this video we're going to be playing a mix of flip diving and Trump Dump. Yay, everyone hates Trump Dump. I mean, everyone hates Trump, everyone loves Trump Dump. Well, Trump Dump sucks. Well, no, Trump sucks, that's why we call him Trump Dump. Yes, that is what I mean to say. What even is this? Play! Flip .1. Yoy! 2 flips on the first one. That's good. Oh, back flop. Kinda. I don't even know how, but okay. Oh, what is that? What did I just accidentally put on? Only 11 coins. Yeah, things are gonna get loud. So,
are you ready?
Be warned, headphone users. Oh my gosh, it's so bad. I'm on like level 12 on Trump Dump. So let's go check out Trump Dump, see if I can get past that. Trump Dump. Why does that one have to be so far down? I swear, one was randomly about to go up. No. See this? These people make so much money off the amount of ads they put here. Get out of here. Like legit. I feel bad for any headphone users. Unless they turn like their volume like down all the way already. Get out of here. Why is this game so many ads? I can add like every other time I die. Oh, I went down way too much. Yeah, that's what I mean. Like, if I can get past one twice, it's gonna give me an ad. Oh, it's just so annoying. I don't care. That's why I just care very much. When I do it, just. But once you're on like 10, it gets like really hard. And that one video was it, or I think, where I was just planning to record it, but apparently I never uploaded it. But I was like, if I get to 10, wow, that would be awesome. Now I'm at 12, now I want to get to 15. But That's just way too hard. Okay, let's get in this flip diving now. Please load up. There we go. Let's do a different map. I gotta get some new maps. How do I get this one? I want to jump off here. I want to get it. I'm gonna try my luck. Oh, okay then. Oopsies. Will I restart or will it put me where I was? Okay, whatever. No, we gotta go to this one. This one's like only 15 coins, bro. No, spin. I don't want to pay money to spin. Not the lighthouse. We'll do it off the cliff. Wait, or the giant tree. Yeah. No. That's what I mean about these games. No, not Fly Pilot. Oh, I accidentally pushed on dump. Well, this game's so addicting. I don't know why though. It was such a dumb game, so addicting. No reason for this game to be this addicting. Okay. It was mostly dump, but a little foot diving. But it's been critical in that mode.